Hi, this is John again. Now we're going to be talking about creating an artificial mineral lick. As you see here, I have a bag of mix that I'm going to show you how to mix it in a bucket of water and spread it out on the ground. What this will do is it will create a mineral lick that the deer will come back to on a regular basis. You just take a certain amount, add it to the water, swish it around, and let it dissolve. Sometimes it'll cake up, and lay this out on the ground. What this will do is it will create a lick that a deer will come back to on a regular basis. The minerals that they need are right there on the ground, and you place them there for them to come to at any time they would like.